Good morning, students. This is my 10th video on the third chapter, and the last topic which we take is the GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. The main idea behind imposition of GST was to make ease of doing business, increase the ease of doing business, and we believed in one nation, one tax. Throughout the country, before this, we had different taxes. In supposing you bought a Maruti car in Haryana, the rate was different. When we bought the same Maruti car, same model, same structure in Delhi, the rate was different, and the rate was different in UP. So because of this, we had that ease of doing business was not very good. What the government decided, as it had decided in the reforms in liberalization, the tax reforms, GST, they removed all the indirect taxes. All indirect, around 35 indirect taxes was removed, and one single tax was imposed, which was called as the Goods and Services Tax. This was imposed on 1st July 2017. A GST council was formed where the Union Finance Minister was the chairperson, and the finance state ministers with 33 members were involved in this decision making, and the tax structure had changed now. Previously we had origin based tax structure. कहाँ पे origin हो रहा है वहाँ से हम tax करेंगे. Now this was single tax based on destination. कहाँ पे जा रहा है उसके हिसाब से आपका tax होगा. ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, क्योंकि हर जगह आपका टैक्स रेट सेम हो जाएगा तो ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस हो जाएगा. और इसका जो टैक्स ऑन टैक्स हो रहा था, एक टैक्स लग रहा है प्रोड्यूसर पे, फिर उसके बाद होलसेलर पे लग रहा है, उसके बाद मैन्युफैक्चरर पे लग रहा है, रिटेलर पे लग रहा है, कंज्यूमर पे लग रहा है. ये टैक्स ऑन टैक्स जिसको हम कहते हैं कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट, दिस वॉज रिमूव्ड. नाउ द GST consists of 4 components: Central GST, CGST, State GST, SGST, Union Territory GST, UTGST, and IGST, Integrated GST. Now, what we find in the imposition of GST, there are a large number of benefits. First thing, there is a reduction in overall tax burden. No hidden taxes are there. A harmonized market is created. क्योंकि टैक्स रेट आपका सेम है, हार्मोनाइज मार्केट है. प्राइसेस डिक्रीज बिकॉज टैक्सेस आपके कम हो गए, तो जो आपके इंक्रीजिंग प्राइसेस आ रही थी, इन्फ्लेशन आ रहा था, वो रिमूव हो गया. डिस्पोजेबल इनकम लोगों की बढ़ गई, जिसकी वजह से वो जो है और जगह पे अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते थे. कस्टमर्स हैड मोर चॉइसेस नाउ. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ आपकी बढ़ गई थी. इट वॉज स्प्रेड थ्रू आउट द कंट्री. दीज आर लेवीड बाय म्यूचुअल agreement of the state, central and union territories. 4 slabs were decided: 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Now from time to time, the commodities which had been kept in 18%, now there have been slowly changes after that, and the only change is that the tax structure has changed for many commodities. Export and suppliers to the special economic zones are zero rated. No GST on that. That means what? That means that exports are being encouraged. To simplify this, we had the various modes of payment, like you have internet banking, debit and credit cards, National Electronic Fund Transfer, NEFT, RTGS, etc. What we can say in all is that GST was a very good move on the part of the government, which improved the ease of doing business.